In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar event in Lark. Whether you're scheduling a quick check-in or coordinating a larger meeting, this simple workflow will help you get everything on the calendar clearly and quickly, so everyone knows when and where to show up and what to expect. Start by opening Lark, either on the desktop app, mobile app, or in your web browser. Once you're in, head to Calendar. On desktop and web, you'll usually find Calendar in the left-hand sidebar. On mobile, look for the Calendar tab along the bottom. Opening the calendar first ensures you're working in the right place and can see how your new event fits into your schedule. Next, create a new event. Click the New Event or Create button. It's often labeled with a plus sign and sits near the top right on desktop or in an obvious spot on mobile. This opens the event editor where you'll fill in the details. If you don't see the button right away, scroll to the top of your calendar view. Most interfaces place it prominently. Add your event details by giving the event a clear, descriptive title. Think about what you'd want someone to see at a glance. Something like Project Kickoff is more helpful than just Meeting. The description field is optional, but it's a great place for an agenda, links to documents, or any context people should review ahead of time. Clear details reduce back and forth later. Set the date and time. Choose the date from the picker, then set the start and end times to match your plan. If you're coordinating across regions, take a moment to confirm time zones so the times display correctly for everyone. A quick double-check here helps avoid conflicts and ensures the event fits into your day without overlap. Now add participants. Start typing names or work emails and select the correct people as they appear. Lark will typically suggest teammates from your organization, which speeds things up. Add only the attendees who need to be there to keep the meeting focused. If this event is just for you, you can skip this part and keep it on your personal calendar. Finally, save the event. Click Save or Send, depending on the interface you're using. This publishes the event to your calendar and sends invitations to the participants. They'll receive a notification and can accept, decline, or propose a new time as needed. You'll see the event appear immediately, and any updates you make later will notify attendees. That's it. Your event is created and shared. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.